If you've forgotten your Yahoo account password, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the full reset process step by step so you can get back into your account quickly and safely. This is a simple method that works when you still have access to your recovery phone number or email address, and it only takes a few minutes to complete. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Yahoo login page. On the sign-in screen, enter your Yahoo email address in the field provided. Make sure you type it correctly so Yahoo can find the right account. Once your email is entered, click Continue. After that, Yahoo will take you to the password screen. Since you do not remember your password, look for the Forgot Password option and click it. This is the option that starts the account recovery process. Yahoo will then ask how you want to verify that it's really you. At this point, choose the recovery method that you still have access to. You may see options like a recovery phone number or a recovery email address. Pick the one that is easiest for you to access right now. Yahoo will send a verification code, also called an OTP, to that phone number or email. Go to your phone or open your recovery email inbox and look for the verification code from Yahoo. Once you receive it, return to the Yahoo recovery page and enter the code carefully. Make sure you type it exactly as shown because the code is case sensitive and time sensitive. If the code expires, you may need to request a new one. After the code is accepted, Yahoo will allow you to create a new password for your account. Choose a strong password that you have not used before. A good password should be easy for you to remember, but hard for other people to guess. Try using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Enter your new password in the first field, then type it again in the confirmation field to make sure both entries match. Once everything looks correct, confirm the change. Yahoo will save your new password and update your account access immediately. Now, you can go back to the sign-in page and test your new password by logging in again. If the login works, that means your password reset was successful and your account is fully restored. If you run into any issues, double check that you selected the right recovery option and entered the verification code correctly, and that's it. You've now reset your forgotten Yahoo account password. I hope this guide made the process easy to follow. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.